Have you ever imagined a drone that doesn't just fly, but completely immerses you in the world around it? A drone that can switch instantly between high-speed FPV flight and a full 360 degrees cinematic camera? Well, DJI is rumored to be preparing exactly that, the new DJI Avata 360. While creators are still exploring the Neo 2, leaks suggest the Avata 360 could take personal drones to a whole new level. This drone merges two worlds, a fast, agile FPV system and a dual-lens 360 degrees capture device in one compact body. Early leaked images caused confusion, until insiders confirmed the truth. What looked like a new FPV drone was actually the Avata 360 in FPV mode, where the 360 lens folds upward to stay protected. A clever engineering trick that hides its true power until you're ready to film in full 360 degrees. 360 degrees mode. Two outward-facing lenses create 8K 360 degrees footage, stitched using advanced AI for seamless, immersive video. Panoramic photos could reach up to 120 megapixels, delivering insane detail. FPV mode. Flip the gimbal, and the drone transforms into a fast, responsive FPV machine, shooting 5K, 60 FPS and 30 megapixels photos. Perfect for action sports, city runs, and dynamic cinematic movement. The Avata 360 may become the ultimate hybrid drone. AI-assisted stabilization, subject tracking, and intelligent framing are expected to take the footage to the next level. Sensors on the front, rear, and bottom offer full obstacle protection, critical for high-speed FPV flights. Matched with 25-minute flight time, 128 GB internal storage, and 04+ transmission up to 20 km, this drone is built for serious creators. Leaks point to a late 2025-early 2026 release window. Combo pricing is expected to be higher than the Avata 2 due to dual cameras and AI systems, likely starting around $1,299 $1,499 United States dollars. Launching alongside the drone, the Osmo Pocket 4 brings a dual sensor setup, bigger battery, AI stabilization, Wi-Fi 5, and effortless vertical shooting, perfect for vloggers and travel creators. Using both devices together creates a complete storytelling toolkit, aerial 360 degrees immersion plus handheld cinematic shots. If these leaks are accurate, DJI is about to redefine drones and portable filmmaking once again. Which device are you more excited for, the Avata 360 or the Pocket 4?